And we have some good news for you today. The Suez Canal has opened again after being blocked by a container ship for nearly a week. Here is how it happened. On Tuesday afternoon, a container ship got stuck in the Suez Canal. It was heading to the Mediterranean Sea from the Red Sea, but somehow this giant vessel ended up sideways in the canal, blocking the waterway. This is a very important canal. It connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It's about 120 miles long, and it's one of the busiest waterways in the world. Now, this container ship, it's called Ever Given. It's almost 1,300 feet long, which is about the length of 2 American football fields. And it's 90 feet wide, which is almost the size of a 9-story building. So this ship, it's a big ship, and when it got stuck sideways in the canal, it completely blocked the canal. No other ships could get through. Now, the good news is that on Monday, they were able to refloat this ship. They used a tugboat to pull it out. They also used a crane to lift the ship off the bottom of the canal. That is awesome news. It's been a very busy week in the Suez Canal. Last week, another ship got stuck, but it was carrying 4,000 cars. Remember to subscribe because we have some great videos coming up. Bye. And one of those cars was a very special car. It was a brand new Lamborghini. We don't know how much the car cost, but we do know that it was very expensive. Now, after they got the ship out of the canal, they had to wait until high tide to make sure that it would float properly. Once they did that, they were able to move the ship to a lake near the canal. They're gonna check it out. They gonna make sure there is no damage to the ship, and then they gonna figure out what caused this accident. But for now, at least the ship is floating and it is free. Well, that is all the news we have for today. Remember, if you want to be a good uploader, you need to practice. You can do that at home. Just get yourself a webcam and a microphone and start practicing. Or you can go to a public place like a library or a coffee shop. Just make sure you're not disturbing anyone, and remember, good things take time. So don't get discouraged if you don't become a famous YouTuber overnight. Just keep practicing and eventually you will get better. Okay, class dismissed. Oh, and one more thing.